Are you driving around and suddenly this light pops on and says your tire pressures are low? Then let's check your tire pressures. Open your driver door and look at this sticker on the door jamb. So the sticker said 32 psi, so let's check the front tires. They're at 28.5. Let's put them to 32. So once they're at 32, now we need to figure out what TPMS system you have. If you have a metal valve stem like this, then you don't need to do anything because it has a sensor inside the wheel that tells the car what the tire pressure is. If you have a rubber valve stem like this, that means the system needs to be calibrated. However, there are a few things to keep in mind when calibrating. All your tires need to be the same size, brand, model, and within similar tread conditions of each other. In some cases, they may even have to be from the same factory. If these conditions are not met, the TPMS length may stay on regardless of what you do, until the offending tire or condition is remedied. There will either be a button or an option in the menu to calibrate your TPMS system. After starting that, you just need to drive. In most cases, going at least over 30 miles per hour will reset the system. And that's everything you need to know about your TPMS light being on, how to fix it, and how to check your tire pressures. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.